Hey guys, it's Sunshine. Thank you for stopping by. I am coming to you guys with a project share for Beebeecraft store. Please stop by them and check them out. So what I'm coming to you guys tonight is to show you what I did with some of the items that I received, which was this pink burlap bag. So what I did was I just added some flowers that I had, and I also used some trim just to give it like a little girly kind of look. And you can kind of put anything in here. So kind of make it look like when you draw a string, it makes it look like a little skirt or something. So this would be good for like weddings. It's good for just things that you have in your stash. These are really nice to give away with some happy mail. So this is what I did with this bag for my first showing. Utilizing my flowers and utilizing this, and it just goes on this bag really, really nice, guys. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this is what I utilized with that tin. I made actually a Halloween little tin. I used some spiders. I definitely used washi tape to go around the sides of the box on both sides, top and bottom. And I also layered some of the washi tape in the front of it, which I also put some paper in the inside, if you see the white paper there. And then I also used an ephemera just to go above that with some pop dots. But look how nice this tin looks. So pretty. I love this tin. And then when you open it up, look how much stuff you can get inside. Look at this. So I was able to put like some stickers in here. I added 4 things of washi tape, guys. Look at that. And I was able to put some ephemera pieces in here. How lovely is that? I love the fact that you can kind of fill this tin up with whatever you want. Candy, peanuts, whatever you can use. Put toys in here. It's just a real little cute, awesome gift to give to someone. Just to make them something sweet. You can fill it up with whatever you want. But this is what I did with Beebeecraft 10 boxes with the windows. Love it. Next, I'm going to show you what I created out of the rings. This was my first time ever utilizing something like this, but it was kind of fun. This is something you can do with your little girlfriends and so forth. So the first ring I'm going to show you, I had this in mind for my granddaughter. It's a blue flower with the yellow gem in the center of it. And again, I used the silver back of the ring. Next, for my project share, I used some one of the green flowers, and I also used, as you can see, I wrapped it with some like twine ribbon. How pretty is that? Awesome, I love it. Next, I used the bronze one again, and what I did was I used a piece of green tulle along with that beautiful purple flower that comes in the box. Look at that. Simple but very elegant and pretty. And my last project that I created is what I call my engagement ring, guys. So this ring is white flower, but look what I did. I actually put some bling on the side of it to make it look like it's a engagement ring. So this is what I created from Beebeecraft store products. So go and check them out, and I will leave these products listed below in my description box down there. So go and check them out and have a buy. Okay, and thank you guys for stopping over. This is my first project share. With the items that I created, I will come back and create something else again. So thank you guys for stopping over. And again, stop over to Beebeecraft store. Thank you.